It has been a very hard time for me. You know, moving to somewhere where they have something that I don't know. It's like I was off it for 4 years. 4 years, and now I've come to Japan. It's like I can't seem to shake it. It's everywhere. Everywhere I turn, it's there. And it's like I need to have it now, and I can't. It's like I can't stop sometimes, and I've been trying. It's and I don't know. It's like. And like my supplier is like just, they're always there, and every time that I'm feeling strong and I can do without it, they're just there. It just pops up, and then the temptation is so strong, I can't resist. It's I don't know if it's an addiction or what, but I don't know. I just can't seem. I've had it like more times in the 3 months I'm here in Japan than the last 4 years when I was off it. God damn it! Damn you, rice! Damn you, Japan, and your rice.